All right, get ready teams, drivers, behind the line, starting this match in 3, 2, 1, go.
All right, we are seeing movement from these robots in autonomous period. Team 2702 landing a successful level 4 coral, 8089 getting a level 1 coral in there ready. 1360 looked like they move off the starting line, the same with 8764 and 10167. 10167 was also able to score a level 1 coral. Going into Teleop, the Red Alliance is ahead by just 7 points. We see 8089 removing LG off of the reef, trying to score in the net. However, it just bounces off. They're going to go back to the reef and pick up another one and try again. 2702 also knocking some LG off of the reef and trying to pick up a coral from the ground. Over on the Blue Alliance side, we see team 4617 playing some defense on this Blue Alliance. 8764 able to pick up a LG off of the ground and bring it to the Blue Alliance processor. They're adding some points onto the board. 8089 able to score some more LG in there for the Red Alliance. 2702 now working on the third level of the reef. Over on the Blue Alliance side of the field, we have team 1360 adding some coral onto the fourth level and removing some LG, making it easier for them to score. They're going to their human player station, their human player giving them another piece of coral for them to score on the level 4. Looking at the score again, the Red Alliance is still ahead, this by a little bit more. The score is 63-55. We have just under a minute left in qualification number 26. 8764 scoring another LG for the Blue Alliance. 4617 playing some defense, blocking off an entire human player station, forcing that Blue Alliance to only use one of them. 1360 Orbit picking up another piece of coral to score on the level 4. Back on the Red Alliance, this reef is looking more full. Team 2702 lining up with the reef, but it looks like the coral dropped out of their grasp. 10167 looks like they were trying to play some defense. However, they got beached on an algae. They might be stuck there for the rest of the match, but we have just under 20 seconds left. 2702 adding some coral to the level 1 trough in their reef. We've got 11 seconds left in this match. 8764 lining up to climb. Team 2702 is in the air. 8089 also in the air. 4617 trying to get a park just as time expires. We have an unofficial score of 91-96, a very, very close score. Let's get that official match score to you. All right, let's take a look at that official score. It is going to the Red Alliance with a score of 116-117. This was a very close match. The Red Alliance walking away with 5 ranking points. All 3 teams